Hello everyone, my name is Shravan Puranik and I'm one of the alumni of Navratan University. I graduated at Navratan University in the field of Bachelor of Computer Applications in the batch of 2013. I am currently employed in one of the largest companies in the BFSI segment. First of all, I'd like to convey my gratitude to the university for giving me this opportunity to communicate my journey with you all. To keep the session as concise as possible, I have categorized the flow into four main buckets. The first one is beginning of journey, second one is curriculum or learn technical learnings. Third one is extracurricular activities and other personality uh, level learnings. And fourth one is a set of outcomes. So moving on to the first point, that is beginning of my journey. So my journey began with I being interviewed by two professors at the university. Apart from the interview, there was a written test. So basically, I was evaluated on two parameters, and basis the assessment, I was granted admission in the university in the year of 2013. Moving on to the second point, which is curriculum and key technical learnings. So the university follows an experiential learning-based mechanism. So I did not only learn the technical aspects, but I also learned the practical implementations basis various case studies and other visually aided mechanisms. The professors were quite helpful, and the the curriculum was at par with the industry. Uh, the syllabus or the curriculum was designed in a way that we not only learn the critical technical skills required to be so-called bachelors in computer science, but we also kind of learn how to kind of keep abreast with the latest technologies, as the technology uh, is evolving so fast, and it becomes very difficult at times to keep pace with it. Moreover, we also had one semester of internship, which was pretty crucial in us, me being basically able to understand what are the skills is being sought in the industry, and how to make up the deficit in terms of any additional skills that may be required. Moving on to the third point, that is extracurricular activities and additional learnings. The personality, so the university allows us to take one elective each semester to basically take courses on with respect to personality development or any other courses of interest. This helped me in being able to understand my Achilles heel, and trying to come up with measures to kind of circumvent them in obviously growing my personality. Moving on to the fourth point, that is the outcomes. So the critical things that I've learned in terms of technical skills and the other skills with respect to personality development and exposures to multiple facets of so-called business, uh, it motivated me to not only look at uh, career from purely from a technical perspective, but actually trying to interleave technical skills with critical business skills to kind of move on to the uh, business side of career. So it actually helped me in checking my path in terms of what my future plans would be. So post my bachelor's, I went on to do my management, one of the leading B schools, and then I am where I am. So this is my part of journey when are you beginning yours?